Hi friends and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today I'm going to show you a nice and easy and simple recipe which is known as Jeera rice. Good for health and good for everything. So to do this recipe, let's go and start it. So friends, to prepare this Jeera rice, we have to cook the rice first, and for that I've already heated up the water here in a vessel. Before it comes to a boiling point, I'm going to add 1 bay leaf, 3 cardamoms, 5 to 6 cloves and 1 cinnamon stick. So here I've got 1.5 cup of rice. I've already washed and drained the water. Now I'm going to add it in here. Here I'll add 1 tablespoon of oil, salt for taste, and this is something secret ingredient of mine. This is white vinegar. I'm adding white vinegar 1 tablespoon. I've added white vinegar because it helps the rice to look very white and very good polished, but there will not be any difference in the taste because of the vinegar. The vinegar will not play a big role because there is a lot of water which will go out at the end. So as I see, the rice is completely cooked now. I've not very overcooked it. It's almost like 90-95% cooked. So this is how I'm looking, and see the size of the rice and how it looks very white. So I've already turned off the gas now. Now I'm going to remove the whole spices which are here before I'm going to drain it. Or you can do it even after you drain that. And I'm going to make sure that I'm going to cool the rice before when we're going to prepare the whole Jeera rice. So here I've already drained it. After draining, I've already cooled down the rice as well. The rice is at room temperature. Now let's go and do the finishing of this dish. So in a separate pan or wok, I'm taking 3 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of dalda, which is clarified butter. So now I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon of jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Make sure you keep your gas on a very medium flame, and you should not burn these cumin seeds. The jeera has to be very fresh in this. It should be properly cooked, as you see now. Once you get the aroma of this cumin seed getting cooked in the oil, that is the time when we are going to add the rice in here. Now we're going to add the rice. Now let's start mixing this. I'm going to add little fresh chopped coriander. I'm cooking this on a very medium flame so that the rice is going to get heated up and it's going to get cooked very well, and then we are good to serve it. So friends, our Jeera rice is ready now. If you like my recipe, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.